In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow on Circle. So, an engaging platform for creating and managing your own community. We'll take you through the entire process, breaking it into manageable steps to ensure you can follow along with ease. First, you'll want to log into your Circle.so admin account. This is your portal to all of the management features you'll need to effectively grow and engage your community. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Keep in mind that logging in regularly allows you to stay up to date with all community activities. Once logged in, head over to Organize Spaces. Spaces are like rooms for specific topics or types of content within your community. This organization is crucial for providing your members with a clear, navigable structure, leading to better engagement and interaction. Next, you'll click on the Create or Edit Space option. This allows you to arrange posts, courses, and videos. These are the backbone of your community. By organizing these elements effectively, you provide members with a seamless and enjoyable experience. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, be sure to click Save Changes. Utilizing topics and tags is another vital step. By clicking on Use Topics and Tags, you can create keyword-driven categories that make it easy for members to find the content that interests them. Topics create structure, while tags enhance searchability. Both improve navigation and encourage active participation. After setting up topics, create a post by clicking the Create Post button. Add your topics in the designated field and hit Enter. Then, with the Post button, share this with your community. This ensures that your post has maximum visibility and reaches the right audience. Now, inviting members is crucial for growth. In your dashboard, navigate to the Invite Members section. You can either enter emails directly or share an invite link. By facilitating easy access, you grow your community and enhance member interactions. Let's dive into paid plans and memberships next. In order to promote these features, access the settings and go to Payments. Here you can create a plan and assign it to specific spaces or courses. This adds a revenue-generating aspect to your community, allowing you to offer premium content and services. Once you have your payment plan set up, remember to share the checkout link. You can share this via your website, emails, or social media channels. This is key to broadening your audience reach and converting potential members into paid subscribers. Creating events and live streams is another powerful tool. By posting about events, you draw attention and create excitement among your members. Enter all the details, like time, date, and key takeaways, before posting.